Ukuleles for sale rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets, ain't got no cigarettes. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that this song sounds great in minor. Let's just do a play along first. I'll put all the details here on the screen. We'll do it, and then I'll just break down a few of the things if you need that after the play along. Let's go. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Here we go. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets, ain't got no cigarettes. But 2 hours of pushing broom by the 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. 3rd boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Old worn out suit and shoes, I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies, I have fun, short but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. I know every engineer on every train, all of their children and all of their names, and every handout in every town, every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets, ain't got no cigarettes. But 2 hours of pushing broom by the 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road, king of the road, king of the road. Let's look at the G minor. Index finger, middle finger goes over to the C, and then 3rd fret on the E string to get a G minor. To do the C minor, I make it a barred chord, and I just do a bar with my ring finger, like that. You could also do it like a D chord, and do it like that if that works for you. D7, I keep the easy Hawaiian, these 2 fingers, 2nd fret on the G and E string. Makes it easy from going from to here from the C minor. And it sounds just fine for this song. Let's look at your strumming options. I did it with a down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. Each chord symbol gets a down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. You could do it with just down strums, 2 per each chord symbol. Trailers for sale or rent, just like that. You could also just do an island strum. Trailers for sale or rent. So the down, down, up, down, up. Have fun with that. And if you need chucking instruction, I'll put a link up here somewhere. It'll show up. Yeah. I want to give a huge shout out to all my patrons. Thank you so much for your support. Jack Wilbur was the patron that inspired this particular tutorial. Thank you so much, Jack. I really appreciate your support. If you'd like rewards and would like to support this channel and my charity efforts, please consider becoming a patron. We're working on getting 250 patrons to get a classroom set to a teacher in Arizona. Thank you so much for watching.